Well, I don't know, actually. I'm a bit overwhelmed right now. Look, look, look. More Happy Mail. Can you believe it? So, yeah. Let's unpack this package. Let me do the camera thingy. I switched you over to the other side. It was so bright out down there. Couldn't see anything. So yeah, I got this package from Joyce. Hello, Joyce. You crazy woman. It's heavy. It said 3 pounds. And we had a few lovely chats through the interwebs, and she said she wanted to send me a crystal, and then I was thinking about, you know, a pendant or something like that, and then I got this package. So now I don't know. Different knife, that's better, I hope. Oh yeah, that's better. So yeah, let's see. Oh, there's more in there than just a, what the, oh, pardon my French. I'm going to have to put this somewhere or else it's going to fly. Can I push it back? What? There are 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes, and could that be a kind of something pottery? I'm going to do this so it doesn't fly away. I'm going to go for this first. What did you do? Oh, it's her. Look. I can't read it because of the... What? Oh, my hair is standing up again. I'm going to need my glasses. Hold on. Something clear. Kentucky Mud Works Super Clear. Add equal parts of water by weight. Stir well. Sieve twice through an empty mesh. Let sit overnight. Apply 1 to 2 thin coats. This with, oh, thin with water if necessary. If it fires cloudy, glaze is too thick or under fire. Oh, I can test this. I'm not going to open it. I can test Kentucky's Mud Works Super Clear. How very thoughtful of you, Joyce. Oh my. Oh gosh. Oh my. All these boxes are... Let's do this together. Can you see? Ooh. This is a malachite. Oh, look at that. Malachite. It's a beautiful dark green. Oh, maybe I can take it out of there. Can you tell? What am I doing? There it is. Beautiful dark green gemstone. Wow. Putting it back in here. Where's my knife? Oh, there it is. Citrine. That fits a warm climate. Citrine is, as far as I know, sunstone. Oh, the bag. Oh, it's big. The bag is beautiful too. Look. Yeah, that's a citrine. Ah, in a heart shape. Isn't that gorgeous? Can you see how transparent it is? Yeah, you can. Can you see? Absolutely beautiful. The citrine warms your heart. My word, do you? Do you all, by the way. Putting it back in here. Going to have to find a beautiful spot to put these, and I don't know that yet, so I might come back to you later. Ooh, don't blow away. Is there no note in this one? No? What's this? There is a note, I think. This one. Amber. Oh, I can wear this. Oh my word, look. Look, 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 look. Isn't that just, you know, Mother Nature is the best. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much, Joyce. Oh my word. I can look at these for hours. They're all different. Oh, it's upside down. Then there's this. Oh my God, there's more. Are you kidding me? You are so spoiling me, all of you. And at this moment, especially Joyce. I'll go for this one first. Look. Can I do it like this? I want to. Oh, more amber. She said, I want to send you a crystal. Look what she does. Crazy. Yes. Ah, look at that. It's very light because amber is not a stone. It's resin. I don't know exactly everything about it, but look at that. Oh, this one is in a velvet box. Comes from Montana, it says. Oh, it opens that way. Oh, I don't know that one. Labradorite. Dutch eat, probably. Labradorite. I don't know that. Joyce, please tell me. Well, I can look it up, of course, but you know, what is this special stone? Ooh, this one's carved. I get it. I get it. You naughty girl. It's a birdie. It's a crow in gray. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but it shimmers. It has gray, but it also has purples and pinks in it. Oh, even a little iridescent. Can I catch that? Right there. Somehow. I'll try and take pictures and put them in. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to have to look up that stone because I don't know anything about it. Check just in case. I don't think. No, these will go in my stash. I saved. Oh, see, there's more in there. Yes. Ah, I knew it. Ah, beautiful. Oh, 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 oh. Don't blow it. There's a note here. There's something in here. Okay. Why are you making me cry? Ay, ay, ay. I'm coming to that note in a minute. Hold on. Here they all are. Malachite, citrine, labradorite, and amber. And the note. I've read it 4 times and cried 4 times. I'm not even reading it. I'm not going into all the details. That's too personal. I want to read you one thing because that's just, I love it. She appreciates my video for certain reasons. And then she says, your videos are the calorie-free desert of my desert. No, it has 2 S's. Your videos are these, God, you see, I can't speak. Your videos are the calorie-free dessert of my week. I love that. Thank you. And she has done crystal therapy for over 35 years. She writes, and yes, please, I would like to know more. She did write about those crystals in here, and let me just give you a little overview just to show you how thoughtful she is. The citrine, that's this one. It's the champion of the crystal world. She says its vibration draws joy and abundance, and for all of them goes keep it in a pocket or put it in a, I already know that because I have done a little bit of crystal work in my younger days in a previous life, but not that much. I'm not an expert at all, but the citrine I did know a little bit about. The amber, that's this one, the necklace, and this, I really need to give this a place where it points in the right direction, so I'm going to find that. The magic of amber is that when it's rubbed, it reverses polarity, it repels negativity. Well, you know, who can't use a little bit of that? It's a crazy world, so yeah. And then the labradorite, and she writes about what I saw in the sunlight. I'm hoping I can catch it for you in a photo, in a picture, because I cannot get it to do it on camera. It's of course a crow. I knew that. I didn't have to read it. It's a powerful protection stone, specifically psychic protection. So, thank you very mucho. And then the sweetheart and darling, this malachite, is for hubby. And he's not here. He's doing a little bit better, so he's working, and you know. And this stone is for your hubby. It's a pocket stone for him to keep with his coins and screw bits and things, so he can put it in his car, his bus for his work, maybe, or in his pocket, of course. Malachite is a powerful healing stone. It protects the heart and heart chakra, of course. It's green. So I will see if I can get hubby come into the video. I don't know. We'll see. And she writes about how she is. She loves it in capitals. This Kentucky artwork, super clear. So yeah. Yeah. And then this part I'm going to cry again. I'm not sharing this, it's personal, it's hers. But I'm glad that I can do that for you, Joyce. So yeah, thank you. I'm going to take some pictures. Oh yeah, well you saw what she did there, right? There's a check in there too, so that goes in the clay fund. Ah, boy. And well, I don't know, actually. I'm a bit overwhelmed right now. I'm going to take pictures, and I haven't spoken to Joyce yet. She doesn't know I have the package today. And I will ask her if she wants to share a website, a YouTube channel, a business or whatever. I don't know if she has or if she wants to. If so, that will be, of course, in the description. Yeah, let me take some pictures and see if I can get the beauty of these stones to come out. It's going to be a challenge. I'm not a very good photographer, but you know, let's try that. And thank you, Joyce. Hello, my lovelies. A little edit. You know those little inserts you sometimes see in videos that go like, a few hours later. Well, imagine that. It's a few hours later. Hubby comes home. So I drag him into the house to show him the beautiful stones and the amber and the note and the check and everything. And hubby is very much aware of energies, very much aware that crystals do things, very much aware that there's more in between heaven and earth, or whatever, how you say that. He's not a practitioner. He can sometimes feel things, but he's a very practical man. And I have never seen him wear a crystal, never seen him interested more than, you know, oh yeah, yeah, I know that. And then, you know, so I showed him all the other ones. And then I said, Joyce gave you this one. And I read out what she wrote for that it's for his heart chakra. And within 10 seconds, he took it out of the box, out of the plastic, put it in his pocket. He said, I felt it. I need to have this with me. It's in his pocket, and oh, goosebumps, and it's not going out. I just told him to take it out if he throws his work pants in the laundry, because, you know, he doesn't. I always find screws and, you know, whatever. But yeah, it's in his pocket. So I thought I'd do this and film it. It is absolutely beautiful, iridescent purples and pinks and gold and yellow. I hope you can see it. Because the sun is shining in my camera, I can't see if it comes across. We'll see while I'm editing, but it's absolutely stunning.